After you signing into your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, first, you want to click on this federal button at the left side of your screen, then click on Wages and Income just below it. While you hover over your mouse on Wages and Income, you want to choose on Wages and Income Summary, which will take you to this page, and you want to scroll down a bit until you see Self-Employment section. Then click on it and hit on Start button. On this page, you may just scroll down. Then hit the Yes button. Right here, you may insert your work as Lyft driver or Uber driver as your type of work. And if you work as a driver for Lyft, and also for Uber, you want to insert the other 1099K on different form than this one. So make sure to add it one by one. For example, I'm gonna insert the 1099K for the Uber driver first. So just type in for Uber driver, then click on Continue. Right here, you may insert your type of work regarding your Form 1099K from Uber. Then, click on Continue button again. Later on, TurboTax will ask you some questions. You may answer it according to the work or thing that you do. The only important thing is to answer the question suitably, so TurboTax can help you to filing the taxes. Feel free to skip this step until you reach this window, and you want to choose on Form 1099K, and then hit Continue button. You may start to insert your information from the Form 1099K from Uber that you already received before, so you may have to match on each section that TurboTax asked. For example, if it asked for Box 1A, you may insert what is written on your specific form at the Box 1A. After you are done inserting 1099K for the Uber, you may land on this page. And then you can start to insert your second work. For example, if I want to add my second work as the Lyft driver, I'm gonna choose on Yes. And start to the same thing as we did with Uber driver. Or if you instead meet this page on your self-employed work summary, you may just scroll down and hit this Add Another Line of Work button, and then insert your second work as the Lyft driver. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.